Hi, thanks for joining me. I'm Danny, otherwise known as the Glitter Rose. I'm so excited. I have just received a parcel from England and it's a Lucky Dip box from Aall Create. Um, I have a few of their items and I think that they're fantastic. They're lovely quality, but they're also very creative. So I thought I'm going to test my luck and see if I get a better mystery box than I got with Spellbinders. I'm having real difficulty trying to open this box, so I'm going to open it off camera and then we'll go through what I get. Oh, I struggled with that, but I haven't looked at what I've got, but it looks like I've got a heap. So let's get into it. Got some lovely washi tape here. I think this will be perfect for art journaling and things like that. I'll just bring it in a little bit closer. I also got another washi tape. These are really nice. I could see using them. And this is like a die cut. So there's little black and white pieces, I guess, that you could color in. I think would be perfect for art journaling. I've got these gorgeous little stamps. This one's called Pixie Dust by Janet Klein, and she does all the gorgeous little drawings. I've got some lovely clock ephemera. This is called Set Your Timer. They're just all clocks. The next thing is, oh, these are cool. These are die cuts, but in a travel theme, and there's like words like bon voyage, some tickets. There's a Big Ben, boat. Oh, I love it. I think they're gorgeous. The colors are beautiful. Okay, what else? Um, some die cuts, some dies. I'll pop them aside. I'm not sure if I've got the stamps to go with them. These are little squares. They're called squares. They're cool. The next one, oh, I like this one. This one's called Classic Cruiser. I love that. I love the ships and I love the writing in the background. It's gorgeous. I've got this is called Barbary Stars, and this one is Folium. I've been wanting more stencils, so I'm very happy with those. Gee, it's a lot of stuff. Oh, this one's called Blast Away, and it's a large set. It's quite big. 4 large stamps. There's a rocket ship, and then moon and stars. I love the stars, for they show me the way. Dear moon, you are my first milestone on the road to the stars. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. And this one's called Daily Gift, and it's got some lovely sayings like each day is a gift and choose to shine. I think they're nice too. Okay, this one is um, Mind Plus. This one here is Avian Cameos. That's really sweet. There's swans and birds and puffins. I really like that. Goes well with the last stamp as well. Really nice. Oh, more birds. This one's Follow Your Own Path. And it says fly free. 2 birds never sing the same song. I like that. That's nice. Even like the stamps and the little sayings and things will go really well. Excuse me. This one's called Wildflower. That's really nice. I like it with the clock. Some really nice, like little bits and pieces. Oh, I love this stencil. I think this one's nice. Okay. This one is called Be a Little Flashy. Oh, that's nice. I like that with the flowers and everything in it and the birds. I'll definitely use those. Very nice. This one is called Wisecracks. When one door closes, another one opens, but if you own a good axe, why should you give up? Ooh, rude word. Honesty is the best policy, but insanity is the best defense. I like that. Some really nice little things to add to your art journal or collage or whatever. This one's called Happy Dog. Next one is Mountain Goat. Oh, I like that. That's nice. And the last one is called Scripted Squares. It's really nice. A lot of these will look fantastic in the background, which is something that I don't have a lot of. So I'm really happy I got these. And then I got the dies, but I didn't get the stamps to go with it. But I might find those monsters because, gee, they're cute. I think I might need to add them to my collection. So I'm not too upset about having dies that don't match a stamp. All right, so let's go through what I've got. So this is the Platinum Lucky Dip. It cost me 100 Australian dollars, but since it was my first order, I got a $10 discount, which I think is pretty good. These small ones are probably about $12 in Australia. The big ones are the large ones would probably be about 35 and the mediums would be about 20. So these large ones I got 6. The mediums I got 4 and they're worth about 25 each. The small ones I got 4 as well. I got 3 gorgeous stencils, which I'm really happy with. 2 rolls of washi tape, which I really love. I will use those. I think they're lovely. And 3 packets of ephemera. So it ended up costing me $120 with postage because postage was expensive, but there's over a kilo of items there. I think I got an absolute bargain. $100 for all this. I think you can't go wrong. If you like this style of stamp, yeah, I think that it's really worth it. I'm so happy. I was a little bit worried after my last experience with the spellbinders. um, but no, this is fantastic. I think it was an absolute bargain. It's probably their older stock, but that doesn't worry me. I think it's all beautiful modern stamps that I'll probably use in things like tags and art journals. Not sure about cards, but I think that they're lovely. I haven't looked at other people's reviews on this, so it was a complete surprise as to what I've got. But that also means I don't know if it's likely you'll get the same items as I did or different items. If I knew I was going to get different items, I might go back for another box. Be a bit greedy. I think that they're a steal. So if you look for them on the Aall Create website, they're the Platinum Lucky Dip. So the most expensive lot, but you can get smaller sets as well. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to have a play with my new items. Gonna be fun. All right, thanks guys. Till next time. Bye.